ReciPal's Inventory Manager was created by food manufacturers to track inventory, do lot tracing, and plan for production and purchasing. For the manufacturers that outgrew paper, pencil, and spreadsheets, but weren't ready for a full-blown ERP system, ReciPal automatically tracks lot codes from receipt through production and shipment of finished goods and makes doing recalls a breeze. We'll walk you through it a bit, and if you want to dive deeper, feel free to schedule a demo, sign up for the free trial, or watch the other demo videos. Once you've been using ReciPal, you can do some pretty neat things. For example, you can view a summary of your last month's production. You'll see what products you made, on what dates, who was in charge, how much you made, costs, and a summary by recipe. Or you can do a recall in a matter of seconds. Say you receive a notice that a specific product had a problem. You can search that lot code, see when it was made, where else it was shipped to, and dig deeper if needed. But let's walk through how you get to that point. In ReciPal, inventory is based on your recipes. Raw materials are the ingredients in your recipes, and your finished goods are the recipes themselves. So first you'd set up your production size recipe with all the ingredients and amounts, and you can even add non-food ingredients like labor steps and packaging. You can set up costs for your ingredient and recipe so you have the cost reporting as well. ReciPal keeps a perpetual inventory, so every time you add to your raw materials, use them in production, ship out finished goods, or reset inventory after a physical count, that all gets tracked so you have reporting and lot tracing on it. We'll go through that inventory life cycle. Say we receive 50 pounds of sugar from one of our suppliers. We'll put in 50 pounds. We can give it a lot code based on what we have or if it came with one already. We can say who we received it from and who shipped it, so we have that all tracked. Then we'd update it, and now we have, instead of 5 pounds of sugar, we have 55 pounds. And of course you can do multiple ingredients at a time. You can also subtract from raw materials or reset for a physical count. Next, we can do a production run. We'll pick a recipe we want to make. We can enter how much of that product we want to make. It'll tell us our ingredient requirements for production and highlight anything we're short of. Looks like we're okay here. We can put in lot codes, change the actual amounts we used, or we can automatically populate the lot codes based on the ones we've been keeping track of so far. Once we're done with production, we can say how much we actually made, how long it took, and when we close out the run, it'll update our raw materials and finished goods and give us a nice production report with costs, lot codes, yields, and so on. Lastly, we can ship finished goods out to stores, customers, or distributors. We can see what lot codes we have available, and if we know how much we're sending out, say we're sending out 10 packages, put in the lot code we're sending, put in any notes, who we're shipping it to, who is doing the shipping, and update it, and that'll get logged if you need to do a recall or ever review your data. The last thing we'll go over is production plans. Here you can say which products you're going to make, how much of them you're going to make, and it'll give you ingredient requirements, how much you have inventory on hand, how much is in works in progress, then how much you need to purchase to hit that plan, as well as the costs related to it and who you should be purchasing it from. And that's how you manage inventory and do lot tracing with ReciPal. That was a quick summary, so if you have any questions, you can schedule a demo and get more advanced functionality, start a free trial. You can always chat us, call us, or send us an email. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.